Hello, my name is Rahul. I am going to show you how to transfer a large file over TCP socket using C hash. I am going to use code from my previous video uploaded on YouTube. Here it is. TCP socket data transfer without single byte loss using C hash. Okay. I am going to open this tutorial. TCP data transfer. Okay, now I am going to change the form layout. Okay, drag in a progress bar over here. Okay, now drag a open file dialog. Change its property name. Okay, dialog open file. Now update progress bar name. pb underscore upload. Change button text. Select and upload. Okay. Double click it. Okay. Now we are going to update create data packet function with one more variable as command of type byte array. Byte array command bracket. Okay, copy it, paste, command. Okay, command length. Now we are going to update our TCP server class. Okay, create a socket handler class socket handler. Okay, public socket handler. Okay, now pass a argument TCP client TC. Now we are going to create a network stream object. NC NS. Okay, NS is equal to TC dot get stream. Okay, now create a function to run as thread. Public void process socket request. Okay, now we are going to copy this function, cut and paste it into socket handler. Okay, remove this argument as we have NS as a global within the class. Now copy this code. Okay, come to here, paste it. Okay, now we are going to pass the socket to this class. Socket handler object handler is equal to new socket handler bracket TC Okay, we pass the TCP client object to socket handler, then system dot threading dot thread obj thread is equal to new thread, and now pass obj handler dot process socket request. Okay, obj thread dot start. Okay, we are passing the accepted TCP client to socket handler. Okay, read this. Okay, remove this. Okay, now we are going to copy the function that we upgraded in client side to server side. Copy this, paste here. Okay, and now under process socket request, create a buffer to read command byte array. Command buffer is equal to new byte of length 3. Okay, now ns.read command buffer comma 0 comma command buffer dot length. Okay, now we have the command and the data from this function. Okay, now switch convert dot to integer bracket. Now we are going to use encoding dot utf8 dot get string. Okay, we are going to convert bytes, command buffer bytes into string. Okay, then string convert into integer. Instead of 16, we are going to use 32-bit. Okay, now default break. Now we are going to update our client side code over here. Now we open file dialog box. If dialog open file dot show dialog is equal to dialog result dot okay. Okay, now store selected file in a string variable dot file name. Okay, now get the file name string file name is equal to path dot get file name over here bracket selected file. Okay, Now we are going to open file stream object. File stream fs is equal to new file stream bracket selected file comma file mode dot open. Now we are going to send file name to server with command 125. Copy this, paste in here. Okay, one two five. Okay, now pass here the file name. Okay, we created the data packet with command 125 and the file name that we selected using the open file dialog. Now we need a function to read response from the server. For that we copy the function from server class over here. Here it is. Copy, paste it here, pass network stream object, okay. Now we are going to declare a loop to read data from server. First ns dot flush, okay, while bracket true. Okay, we can copy code from the server that we have over here. Copy. Okay, now pass network stream object. Okay, now we are going to add a case in switch here. Case 125 break. Okay, now define a file stream object outside while loop. File stream fs is equal to null. Okay, fs is equal to new file stream bracket file path at the rate c colon slash tl slash, I have a folder with name tl slash plus receive data. We are sending file name at command 125. Okay, over here. Okay, create data packet with command 125 and data is file name, which is going to be read by server over here. Okay, now comma file mode dot create new. Okay, bracket. Now we are going to declare a file pointer variable long current file pointer is equal to 0. Now send the current file pointer to client ns dot write. First create packet byte data to send is equal to create data packet bracket command, okay, encoding dot utf8 dot get bytes bracket, okay, 126 comma encoding dot UTF-8 get bytes. Now convert to string bracket our current file pointer, paste, okay. Now let's write bracket data to send comma 0 comma data to send dot length bracket this ns dot flush. Now we created a packet with command 126 and the initial file pointer to be sent to client, okay, over here. Case 126 break, okay. We are going to create a file pointer long, create a variable of type long, receive file pointer is equal to long dot parse bracket encoding dot UTF-8 dot get string from bytes, okay, over here receive data over this bracket close. We received the file pointer from the server, okay. Now we are going to seek the position in file, fs dot seek bracket receive file pointer comma seek origin dot beginning, okay. Now fs dot read. Now we need to define a temporary buffer to read data and pass to the socket. First we need the length, int temp buffer length is equal to fs dot length minus receive file pointer if less than 20,000, okay, then fs dot length this else 20,000, okay. We need to convert it into integer, okay. Now we are going to create a buffer byte array temp buffer is equal to new byte of length temp buffer length, okay. Now ns read bracket temp buffer comma 0 comma temp buffer dot length, okay. Now we need to create packet using this temp buffer, byte array data to send is equal to create data packet bracket, use this 127 comma temp buffer bracket close, okay. ns dot write this byte array to socket, then ls dot flush, comma 0 comma data send dot length. Okay, now we are sending our portion of file to command 127 on server. Okay, here it is, 127, case 127. Okay, fs dot seek, we have the pointer, current file pointer, this fs dot write bracket receive data comma 0 comma receive data dot length. Okay, seek origin dot begin. Now we are going to update our current file pointer data. Current file pointer is equal to fs dot position. Okay, now copy these 3 lines, paste here. Okay, put it into the bracket, this also. Okay, now no error. Now we are going to stop client and server. Okay, create a variable boolean loop underscore break is equal to false. Okay, if receive file pointer not equal to fs dot length, then process, else loop break is equal to true and send command 128 with text close. Okay, now go to server code, add a case 128 now define a variable outside while loop boolean loop underscore break is equal to false. Okay, loop break is equal to true. Okay, now check here, if loop is equal to true, then break and ns dot close. Okay, go back to client, use same code. If loop break is equal to true, then ns dot close. and break. Okay. Now we are going to update progress bar value. pb upload dot value is equal to receive file pointer divided by fs dot length multiply by 100. Now convert values to double. Calculate math dot ceiling, then further convert into integer. Now we need to close the file stream object from client and server code. fs dot close. Okay, now go to the server code. fs dot close. Okay, look for any error. Okay, that is byte array. We need to convert it into string encoding dot utf8 dot get string bracket. Okay, now run the application. Okay, it's running. Now open the TL folder, this one. Start server. Okay, select and upload a file. Okay, go to temp. We have a Android Studio IDE file. It's copying. Okay, copying. Okay, now double click it. It's running, means file copied successfully. Okay, cancel. If you like this video, please share it, comment it and subscribe. Thanks.